Hey there, I'd like to welcome you to Untrapped, healing the invisible wounds to living your dreams. I'm your host, Elizabeth Meigs, a spiritual transformational coach, speaker, occupational therapist, the messenger of God's miracle power, and someone who knows what it's like to carry invisible wounds while trying to hold it all together. This show was created for you, the veteran, first responder, healthcare professional, trauma survivor, or purpose-driven leader who gives so much to others but feels stuck in survival mode. Maybe you're exhausted, burnt out, or quietly battling pain that no one else can see. I get it because I've been there. And what I've learned is that you don't have to live trapped by your past or your pain. Healing is possible from the inside out through faith, neuroscience, and practical proven tools that restore peace and help you live your God-given dreams. For me, this podcast was born from years of learning to live behind a mask. The first time I put it on, I was 14, pretending I was fine while hiding the pain I didn't know how to share. That mask became my armor. I smiled, achieved, and tried to serve others by being who I thought I was supposed to be, fitting in the boxes that I thought kept me safe, but small. On the outside, it looked like strength, but inside, I was just barely surviving. It took years and God's gentle healing to realize that freedom doesn't come from holding it all together, but from taking off the mask and letting yourself be seen. This space is where biblical truth meets neuroscience, where faith and practical tools work together to bring restoration. Each week, you'll learn about faith-based strategies to help you regulate stress, rebuild resilience, and rediscover purpose through the pain. We'll talk about emotional healing, trauma recovery, gratitude, identity, and grace, all through a lens of hope and renewal, so that you can build the same foundation that I have, one built on faith, hope, and love. My mission is hope, but it's more than that. It's healing that opens pathways to empowerment. My prayer is that every episode helps you take one step closer to peace and purpose. If this message spoke to you, please subscribe, leave a quick review, or share it with someone who needs it. You can connect with me on Instagram at Elizabeth Meigs Inspires or visit elizabethinspires.com for resources and updates. Remember, you are not alone. You are not broken, and your story isn't over. You were created to live untrapped. Until next time, keep rising, keep believing, and keep your heart open, because the same God who worked miracles in me is working them in you too.